उधर गजा के हॉस्पिटल्स की हालत इंतहाई अबतर है। मरीजों का इलाज करने वाले ऑस्ट्रेलियाई खातून डॉक्टर्स ने बताया कि ज़रूरी अद्वियात तक दस्तियाब नहीं है। मुसलसल यहूदी फौज के हमलों में इंसानी जानें ज़ाय हो रही हैं। हॉस्पिटल्स को निशाना बनाया जा रहा है। हॉस्पिटल्स में बुनियादी सहूलतें तक दस्तियाब नहीं हैं।
Here is Dr. Nada Aburob and Dr. Saya Aziz. We're two doctors from Australia. We're here in Gaza at the moment. We arrived in the middle in Al-Aqsa Hospital first, but the situation was disastrous, where we're having kind of kids coming after a strike. With most of like let's say 70 to 80% of our patients are kids and pregnant women. And the situation was terrible, and there was no water, no food, and people living in the hospital everywhere. It was very common for a person to be the only survival of their family. Everyone has lost most of their family. It was very hard for us to get in, and there was a lot of restrictions. We were not allowed to bring any baby formula, any money, and the cards don't work. We are hardly surviving and hardly able to help anyone. There's no equipment. They're down to the very basics, running out of